Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Alicia J, and I wanted to talk about digital marketing, how I launched my lead magnet and made my first sale in my sleep. Okay, so I know that last month I did announce that I was going to be launching my ultimate guide to help moms achieve financial freedom from the 9 to 5. And I also announced that I would be launching my coaching calls. And so I did manage to launch both of those. And with my free guide, I launched it in my stories for a few days. And one night I went to sleep and I literally woke up to checking my phone, and I checked my emails and I noticed that I made my first sale in my sleep. And when I tell y'all, like, I cried. I cried all night and literally cried the whole day because I couldn't believe that I had made my first sale. And when I tell you that this digital marketing is real, it's real. I cried because that first sale, like when you get that first sale, like it's totally a different feeling. And I finally started to see that this digital marketing thing, like, it actually works. And I actually am starting to see my hard work pay off. So for anyone who is out there questioning, does digital marketing actually work? I'm here to tell you that yes, it actually works. And yes, you can actually make money in your sleep. So I just wanted to address some of the questions that I've been running across lately. Like, is it free? Or, oh, I don't have the time to start. Or, isn't it expensive? Believe me, I felt the same way. And I'm here to tell you that it's not about not having the time or it costing you too much to start. It's about what are you choosing to do with your time. If you are dedicating the time and effort into your business, like, this business is literally a no-brainer. And why wouldn't I want to invest my money and my time in something that's going to better me and my future? If I can work my business and take care of my family and all the while still work my 9 to 5, then you can too. Like, there is no excuse. You can do this too. There is one last question that I wanted to address, and it's, who am I without a 9 to 5? We often define ourselves as having a 9 to 5 job. And what I love mostly about digital marketing is it allows me to have that creative space and find out who I am. And it allows me to live life on my own terms and create the life that I've always dreamed of. So to answer that question is, who am I without a 9 to 5? Digital marketing allows you to find out who you truly are. And I'm not saying at all to quit the 9 to 5, but with digital marketing, it opens so many doors and so many opportunities that you would have never dreamed of in your lifetime. So I am grateful for starting my journey, and I encourage you to get started on your journey too. If you are ready to take the next steps, you can download my free guide, The Ultimate Guide to Help Moms Achieve Financial Freedom from the 9 to 5. It is now available in my store, and so you'll be able to find it in the link of my bio. If you need help with anything, or if you have any questions, my one-on-one level up coaching calls are available. So feel free to book your call if you need help with anything. And I thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will talk to you in the next one.